Yo, what is going on? We back with another banger video, and today I'm gonna let this motherfucker drive my scat like there is no scat. Look, this bitch is so dirty, bro. Pollen is nasty. Hey, but the Mustang's clean, but it still gets dirty. It still gets dirty because of the pollen. But that lick is gone. I need to order it still. I haven't done it. I'll order that soon. This pollen, bro. Huh? Wash me. Look, bro. It looks good though. It's dirty, but on camera it looks good. It always takes so long, like a whole minute. Oh, it's not high pressure mix. I mean, let's just screw it. Yeah, we're done. Alright, it's clean. Alright, what are we doing now?
Time to have fun.
What fun?
We'll see.
What fun, motherfucker?
Time to hit curbs.
Time to hit curbs?
Oh yeah.
Nah, that's what Mustangs do. We don't do that. We hit. What do we hit? I don't know what we hit.
Water.
Say, I guess. Oh yeah, let's go. Hop in that bitch. Drift that bitch.
No, I'm not drifting it.
Okay.
You're not gonna get.
Oh my god. Okay, man. Alright, don't scare me now.
I'm not used to torque. I'm gonna go this way.
Why that way? We can just go that way or that way?
That one's gonna take forever.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, for me.
Alright, let's go. This bitch thick.
Oh yeah.
The water splashing.
This is gonna be fun.
Water, bro. Oh shit! I don't even like. The lights are so nice. You got one. You gotta let it shift on your own, on its own. It shifts so much better. Cutting up! Oh my god! Shit! Bro, this feels so fucking weird, bro! Yo!
Oh, I almost took our exit. Okay.
That boy cutting up too, bro. Oh shit.
Oh hell no.
What the fuck is he doing, bro? Who is that? Did he try to get in our lane?
The brakes feel nice,
Right?
the steering wheel.
It's so big. God damn, boy. Let that bitch roll.
Yeah.
double tap this bitch. The surface has to be even. Okay, so it's not changing right now, but currently unavailable. When you get on that, just drive normal until it changes. And then when it changes, then you can... Is it on custom? Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, could you?
Hold on. Why is that street? My default got changed.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, because of the
steering wheel, right?
yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I know the way. No, now watch out because the traction's like sport too. Yep. Dude. Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. Our time's coming up.
That's fun.
It's so fun, bro.
That won't be fun going back.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, and parking too.
Nah, right?
Oh.
So what'd you think?
Fast. Stupid fast. This is nice.
Yeah, fuck with that.
That and
I love my steering wheel. That's one thing I love. Like,
spins.
yeah, it does not. Even on a 40
like that.
That's what I need next. Yeah, maybe that too. But yeah, that. You know, when you get on it. Motherfucker, I don't know, bro. I need a whine. Bro.
Yeah.
That bitch gonna be flying.
Making honey.
Yeah, that bitch gonna. The honey that. Hey, it's clean though. Look, it's all dried up. It's all dried up. What do you think?
Fast. You ready to hit some curbs next video?
Alright, so next video, guys, I'm gonna take his Mustang. I'm gonna drive it crazy because he didn't go crazy with my car when I told him to do crazy shit. I like turn and hit that bit, hit a fucking drift. Motherfucker said, nah.
A little burnout.
That's pussy shit, bro. Burnout, you stay in one spot. We need to see some live action, bro.
I got you on next video.
Alright, we're doing another video. We're doing some donuts and shit. Y'all know I have never done donuts in my car. Never. Have you? In your Mustang?
No, I've done a burnout.
I've done a burnout.
Like burnout and then a drift, like letting go of the gas and it just does a whole 11.
Oh, that don't count. So full on donuts and drift. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned and we're gonna be lit. Yeet.